What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price is once again trying to push out and break past this $64,300 level of resistance. However, we are starting to get a rejection once again from this small double top on the hourly chart, seeing a push back down to this level of support right there. What will happen in the next few hours, guys? Are we going to see a rejection down below this level, all the way targeting down here at $58,750? What is going to happen, guys? I'm betting short. I'm currently in my $1 million short position right here, and it's currently around 13,000 US dollars in a profit. I opened it very recently, and I want to explain my full thoughts behind it, how I may not be in the trade for too much longer. Guys, as always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. It truly does mean the world. I really do appreciate it. And to give back to you, I'm giving away $100 every single Monday. All you have to do is comment down below on today's video and all the videos, because at the end of today's video, it is Monday, I'm giving away this $100. So stay tuned to the end of the video if you like to win money. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room sharing his journey about crypto. If you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Let's get into the charts, because very interesting things happening right now. First of all, we can see there could potentially be a bounce and a further test up here to around this level right here. But honestly, if we take a look at the daily chart, the Bitcoin price is honestly struggling to get back above this kind of 65K range right here. And I'm putting this green bar on the chart right here for reference, because honestly, I think Bitcoin is in fact struggling to get above this area. We do have a lot of volume range in this area right here. And again, I think Bitcoin could potentially see a push up and a rejection. That is why I have in fact gone ahead and opened a trade right here. It's around 1,028,000 US dollar trade right there, over $1 million Bitcoin short position right here. However, right here on the open orders, I do also have around, I believe it's around a 500 or 600K trade right there. And again, this is set for 67,250. I've set the stop loss very tight on this trade right here. We can see right there, the stop loss is set at 64,400, a little bit above where I entered right there, just in case we do go ahead and wick up and make a new low a new short-term high. Then I want to get out of the trade, because we could potentially be going a little bit higher. And if we take a zoom out right here, we could even reach up here at $67,300. In my opinion, if we do get up there, this will be a much better position to enter. So I want to have all my bases covered. If we do go down from here, I've got a trade open. If we do wick up and I get stopped out, that's perfectly fine. It's within my risk limit for this account size. And again, I will wait until a higher entry price right there. Of course, it's risky. I am trading right here with 10x right there, and this trade on the open order is in fact 6x leverage right there. So it is a big trade, guys, and I hopefully will in fact be successful. Guys, if you did want to go ahead and trade over on Ubit, as you know, over the past few months, it's been my favorite exchange out there. It's really been very, very pleasurable and easy to use. Great liquidity, many different pairs. And right here, we can see we've got metals as well, gold, silver, copper. We've got stocks as well. You can go ahead and short MicroStrategy, long MicroStrategy, Tesla right there. There is so many different stocks and metals and oil and gas and stuff like that. You can go ahead and trade as well. And it's one of my favorite exchanges out there right now. And there's actually a new option going around right now, a new bonus in the rewards hub. If you deposit $100, click the link down below today's video, deposit $100, you're going to get $1,000 free position voucher right there if you meet the requirements. So this is absolutely amazing, because you can effectively use the exchange's money without risking your own and going ahead and making a loss. So it's absolutely amazing. Below today's video, you can see right there, no KYC, deposit $100 and get $1,000 position token. It's one of the best ones I've seen in crypto in many, many years. And in this stage of the market, yes, it's a horrible point in the market, but that is where opportunity is if we are in fact doing it. Also down here, I have a tutorial if you want to know how to use the exchange, a full tutorial right there. I believe it is in approximately 16 minutes long, so you can go ahead and enjoy that as well if you did want to go ahead and do so. So again, around $12,000 in profit. Again, I could be stopped out by the end of the video, but that's okay, because I have my trading plan set up, and hopefully you guys can follow along as well. If you do want to follow my trades, In the chart chasers group as well, I'm posting all the different trades which I'm doing across different altcoins as well. So if you're not really into trading Bitcoin, you can see many different options right there in that group. The link is down below completely for free. So overall, if we are taking a look at the daily chart again, pretty similar to yesterday's video, guys. Not a lot has changed. In my opinion, I do think we are coming lower. However, I don't think it's going to be without cost. I do think we are going to potentially see a little bit of a potential tick towards the upside. Not too crazy. However, we need to understand that the price can't just dump here and then not rebound and then continue dumping. Of course, it cannot just keep going down like this. It doesn't work like that. Markets don't work like that. Look at this area right here. When we dumped from all-time highs, we had a big dump, a relief rally, a big dump, a relief rally. Probably we're going to have a big dump. In my opinion, potentially we could go a little bit lower, maybe into this golden pocket area right there, like we did right here once we broke the 0.5 Fibonacci, exactly like we have done here. Back in this previous cycle, we broke the 0.5, sorry, here, and we just dumped all the way down to the golden pocket. So I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see any kind of a relief rally until the golden pocket. That's exactly why I have in fact entered that short position with my stop loss set. So overall, I think that could be happening. Again, if we take a look at some upper levels, we do have a lot of liquidity building upwards of $65,000, 120-ish million right there. So that could potentially be a target for the market makers, for their exchanges to go ahead and liquidate. And again, up here at approximately 67,000. That's one of the reasons why I put that trade right here on the open orders right there for the limit order at approximately $67,250. Because when we're looking at the heat map right there, we can see 67,900 or 67,600, that kind of area could potentially be a target if we take the liquidity right here at this 65K range. The funding overall, it's still reasonably negative. We can see right here on Binance, Bybit, on Mexi, and BitUnex, it's negative. All the altcoins, pretty much the funding is negative. So people are starting to open long positions right here. And again, we still have a massive imbalance right here on longs and shorts. We can see there's almost over 8.5 billion of cumulative short liquidation leverage right there, which is a massive imbalance compared to the 100 million right there over on the other side right there. So a huge imbalance. The market is going to move in a direction without a shadow of a doubt, and I want to be having a trade open. Hopefully you do too, to capture that in fact position right there and hopefully make some profitable trades along the way. Again, this is really, really interesting, but I don't think we're going to see anything happen. Take a look at some altcoins. Again, guys, if we're looking at Solana, I mean, this has been absolutely hammered over the past few weeks. I was buying and dollar costing averaging Solana in this range right here at $130. I did take some profits right here, but probably not as many as I should have. Probably you watching this also are in a similar situation. And right now we've just broken the 0.786 for Solana, seeing a dump all the way down to $60 for Solana. This is absolutely crazy. $60 for Solana. And other things like Sui right there at 74 and Hype down here at $61 as well. In my opinion, Solana probably will retrace down to about 50 and we should be finding a little bit of stability down in that range. So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Again, if you did want to go ahead and get that $3,000 position voucher, all you have to do is click the link down below, join Ubit, no KYC, and you're going to deposit $100 to that account and you're going to get a free position voucher. Just go over once you've made your account with the link down below and you deposited that $100, go over to the rewards section right there, click rewards hub, and you're going to see all the different things. You can get way more than $1,000 position voucher. You can get up to a $10,000 position voucher. It just depends how much of a money bags you are feeling like on the day. So again, guys, I really do appreciate you watching my content. So the winner of the giveaway, guys, is in fact this guy right here. Unfortunately, I cannot read your name, brother, but really, really nice comment. I actually remember replying to this comment about the VPVR. So really nice comment. Congratulations on winning your $100. Hopefully you'll see this video. Send an email over to info@cryptojack.com and I will get you your prize money. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.